Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole with Made from Scrap and happy February 1st to you all. I have this little project share for you. This is using the Winter Magic collection from Country Craft Creation. I'll have the links below in the description box. But I made this fun little project with some of the scraps that I had. I do have another project from my design team projects on my channel already. Now this is a little 5 by 5 inch album, little mini, and it has a 1-inch spine right here. So I've used a couple of my colors cardstock, and I've used some gold here as well. And again, all those links to the materials will be in the description box below. So isn't this a beautiful ribbon too, the satin ribbon? This is a die from Scrap Diva, and I used the coordinating stamps that came with that die. I don't know if it has a name. Yeah, it does. Easter Ribbon Slider Set. So this is from last year, 2024, and I used some Tim Holtz Distress Glaze. What color is this in? Oh yeah. Uncharted Mariner. If this is available still at Country Craft Creations, I'll go ahead and check the website and add that to the description box below. But this is one of the fun cut aparts, and then we have my colors that it's backed on, one of the sheets of patterned paper, and then my colors navy, and then the gold here. Then you have that soft blue on the side, and this is the back. So when you open this thing up, I think it's super cute. You have, make sure I'm in frame here, you have a flap on this side, and I honestly haven't decided whether or not I want this top flap on top or the bottom flap on top. Leave me a note in the description box below. I think it needs something else if I leave this one on top, so I'm kind of searching what to do there. But I have this small little flap here on the bottom, and then I have this flap here on the top. So plenty of room for some journaling here, or a photo, of course. And then you have one of the cut aparts here. I just layered up, paper pieced some of the strips of my colors. This is a flap here for a photo. And then this is just like a mini waterfall, just 2 sheets. And then you have another one there. So you got already a few different spots for photos, right? In this tiny little thing. Okay, and then here, this is an album because it does have 2 pages, but we have this fun little page here so we can highlight the rabbits, and then I used one of the ephemera pieces here to make a fun little tuck spot. I just used some extra white artisan and cut that down for a little photo spot there. And then when you flip this page over, we have a fun little tuck here. And I put in another little cut apart. I have another little cut apart, and then a fun little pull out like this, trifold from Artisan Cardstock. I layered up, this is one of the, a cut down piece of border strip, and I layered it on one of the other pieces of paper there. So that is cute. Put this back in. This is just a glued pocket on both sides, so it doesn't have a bunch of bulk. It'll hold stuff in pretty tightly. And then here on the back cover, I have a fun little pull out. So I have some My Colors cardstock. I just did a little decorating with a couple little mini pieces, and then it folds out like this, and then you keep folding there. So it's just a pull out. So isn't that beautiful? That whole way. And then when you flip it over, you have the owls and the trees, and then the fun berries, and then this beautiful deer. I had fussy cut this deer out from the paper collection, and then I just paper pieced a little piece of my colors down here as well. That soft blue again. And plenty of spots there for photos as well. So I hope that you enjoyed this little walkthrough of my project, and if you want to make one of these, please leave me a comment below and give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel, and check out Country Craft Creations for all these wonderful materials. Until next time everyone, happy scrapping you all. Goodbye.